Make sure that your business is worth sharing with others before starting a referral marketing program. Before you can get most of your referral marketing program, you must start evaluating and ensuring that your business is worth sharing with others. The main objective here is to promote your products through influential personalities of the niche where you operate and by your current clients. That's why the better your business is structured to appeal to your target audience, and the more you can excite the people, the easier to launch your referral system. You must think about it. If your products and services don't have a clear brand message, your affiliates will have to do too much to sell. The information should tell potential customers how they can benefit from buying from you. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.